muñeca, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching all of my beginners how to slay their brows. I'll be using ABH Dip Brow in medium brown, ABH foundation stick in the shade banana, e.l.f. Cosmetics clear brow gel, an eyebrow brush, a small angled brush to outline and fill in, and a small concealer brush to carve and blend out. Lastly, freshly groomed brows. Taking your eyebrow brush, begin by brushing your eyebrows upwards. Using your dip brow and angled brush, underline your eyebrow. Start from the middle towards the tail. You can underline lower for thicker brows or just under the arch if they sit too high. I suggest using short strokes for better precision. I bring my arch lower so I'm filling in the gap between the outline and my brow. Now brush downwards and repeat the same process on the top. After outlining, fill in any visible sparse areas, avoiding the front of your eyebrow. Here I am darkening any lighter areas for an even application. Now brush back and forth from front to middle. This feathers out the brow product for a more natural ombre effect. Use what's left on your brush to lightly fill in any gaps. Now clean up around your brows with concealer. Start a bit further to avoid a cakey concealer outline. This helps spread out the product. This also helps to not go overboard and thin out or ruin the shape. For the top, use what's left on your brush unless there's a lot to clean up. Make sure to blend out any excess concealer on your skin. Using a Q-tip, wipe away any visible concealer to avoid a bright halo around your brows. For the final touch, darling, thou shalt set your brows. Apply clear brow gel to lock the hair in place throughout the day. And you're done, honey. Serve looks and slay the day. Thank you for watching. Mwah.